Right, this is a 15th problem. Let me solve. Right, a flower basket containing 36 flowers is 3 by 11 full. How many more flowers are needed to fill it up? Right, how many more flowers are needed to fill it? Right, let us check out. So let us consider a flower basket. I'll consider it as 1. Right now, so it's a ratio, so it's a very simple problem. Let us check out. For 36 flowers, it is going to be 3 by 11. Right, it is full, 3 by 11 full. Right, for how many flowers it requires to fill the whole basket? So that is going to be 1. So multiply like this. Right, so now what happens here? X into 3 by 11 is going to be, right, 36 into 1, or x is equal to 36, right, that divided by, so cross multiply here, this 11 will go to the numerator and as well as 3 will come to the denominator. So 12, 3 ones are 3 12s, 12 into 11. Right, now, so total flowers in that flower basket is going to be 12 tens are 120 to 132. So this is x is nothing but total flowers in the basket. Total flowers. Right, but what the question is, how many more? They have asked the question, how many more flowers are needed to fill it up? So subtract now 132 minus, right, 36. Right, 2 minus 6 is not possible. 12 minus 6 is 6. Right, 12 minus 3 is 96. So 96 flowers required to fill the whole basket. Option C is the right one.